Hi there. In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use the Digital Maturity module. This is one of several data view modules available for you to use on CurateFx. As we can see in this module, it is broken up into 6 groups: customer, strategy, technology, operations, culture, and data. Each of these groups contain elements. These elements all have child items. This means when you click on this chevron, it will show all of the child items available to you under that element. We can also see some of these elements have been tagged with color, stakeholders, and products and services. We can get more information on these by clicking on the element. Here we can see the name of the element, the description, the assigned stakeholders, products and services, and what color tag there is on there. The color tags in this module are 5 digital transformation lifecycle phases: initiating, emerging, performing, advancing, and leading. These tags can help companies objectively determine where they are in that lifecycle. After elements have been tagged, we can make use of the filter. Here we can select between an AND or operator. We can select some colors, a stakeholder, and a product and service. Then click Apply Filter. This will show us all of the elements that match the filter. When we're finished with the filter, just click the Reset Filter button. Another useful feature is the export. Here we can export all elements that have been tagged with color, stakeholders, or products and services to PDF, CSV, or Word. Thanks for watching.